Apa denoi dizketan eta beno, hemen gera jolas berri batekin. Metal Gear Solid Bost The Phantom Pain, en Kojimaren azkenengo jolasa, saga honei itxira emateko, ze badakizute Konami ja bideojokoak utzi egiten ditula. Eta, bueno, bakizute gainera polemikaz bezeta ondala, ze Kojimaren izena ere ez da atera jolasean. Bo jolasan portadan, eta, bueno, alako bronka izan dute ez, Kojimak eta Konamik. Eta, bueno, kriston puntuazioak dira ematen hainbat edabidek, ze honek, jolas honek. Eta, bueno, jolas dugu dugu. Zan berraukat, bueno, ja azten da jolas hau da, menurik ez dauka momentuz. Bideo bat azten da, ez dakit bideo honek zenbat irauten duen. Uste desente irauten dula, beraz, engotena da mikrofonoa itxi eta bideoa jarrikoet. Ikusten bat asko aguantatzen, duretzen dula, igual lehenengo kapitula hoxe bideoa izango da. Baina, bueno, hemen txengo dugu. Eta emango jot, ok. Vale, ok, eta on ja ziten dela ustet. Vale, hamezte jende gongo da zarean ze arazoa da nahu duela. Kriston goba daukat jolas honetak. Vale. Fikziozko zeba dela, eta, bueno, horra saltzen dien gauzak. Bueno, orain isildu ingonez, eta bide ikusten.
Mayday! Mayday! Controls unresponsive! Tower, do you read? Shit! Comms are down.
We spoke of was and when, although I wasn't there. He said I was his friend, which came as some surprise. I spoke into his eyes, I thought you died alone a long, long time.
Gdzie chcemy?
V has come to.
V has come too.
Bueno, ez zan oso luzea, joantxe. Egin deu, eta, bueno, menuan gaude, sarrerako bideoa. Hospitale batean dagola ematen du, pentsatzet Big Boss izango dela. Phantom Pain da, baina aurretik Ground Zero atera zen, halako demo moduko bat, pagokoa zen, 12 euro balio zituen ez goratzen zen bat. Eta, bueno, ura ikusita ukazutenak, odilita zautenak bulertuko zute zeatik hospitalean dagoen. Uraz daukat, beraz ezin detigo, jolasura, beraz. Bueno, start emango jot. Eta opzioa nahi dut begiratu. Vale. Ez dakit dena ajustes de pantalla. Vale. Vale, bai. Momentu zola utziko eta urrengo zerako kapituloako optimizatukoet. Ze zeuru oraingoa baino hobeto kalitate hobeagokin lortu ezakela. Así que momentu zola utziko dugu. Bueno, jolasai hasiera emango jau. Hala. Metal Gear Solid Boss The Phantom Pain.
Ακούσμε. Ακούσμε. Can you hear me? Are you having difficulty speaking? Can you move your head? Just nod if you can hear me.
Bale, bai tutoriala bezala. Ez.
Look up, please. Very good. How do you feel now? Can you speak? What is your name? When were you born? Can you recall?
Baina hemen sartu behar dut, Big Bossena, o... neurea jarriko dut. Eta... Horta etxetzea, abuztuak... Emezazpia. Ez dakit, neurea jarri bertzen, baina, bueno.
Good. Now then. Please try to relax. There is plenty of time. I need to tell you something. Please listen and try not to panic. You've been in a coma for quite some time. Yes, I know. You would like to know how long. I'm afraid it's been 9 years.
Joder.
Damn it! Nosocoma! 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 Nurse! Calm down. Calm down. Try not to panic. Wait a second. Try not to panic. You'll be all right. There now. Just rest.
9 urte,
How do you feel?
It's been 1 week since you came to. Now, let's try getting you out of that bed. Nurse. Don't worry. You've lost some strength, but we've been maintaining your muscle mass through massages, CPM therapy, and EMS. Now, I need to explain something to you, but you mustn't be alarmed. 9 years ago, you were injured in an explosion. Upon examination, we discovered 108 foreign bodies embedded within you. In addition to shrapnel, we also found fragments of human bone and human teeth. Most of it was removed, but some of the fragments still remain. They are located near your heart and in your skull. Look at this. The fragments are lodged deep within your cerebral cortex. We couldn't give you an MRI, the metal, you see. But even if we were to extract it, you would most likely suffer a brain hemorrhage. Mental and physical impairment are unavoidable. However, your current status is not life-threatening. One more thing. This X-ray is of your upper body. You better look now.
Hostia.
Best to understand your situation
Besoa falta.
sooner than later. I know it's difficult, but please look down. It's best to see it with your own eyes. Be brave. Nosocoma! Grigor!
Venga, vete chitega.
Calm down! Please! Calm down! It's gonna be okay! Yes! Calm down! Yes. Yes.
Ulertuko zute esaten duenean ezurra barruan dauzkala eta hori Ground Zeroes ikusten badizuet. Gomendatzen dizuet behitzea gameplay bat YouTubeen egongo dena igota pila bat daudeta. Eta itako bat ikusita ulertuko zute zeati dauzkan ezurrak eta metala.
It's true. There are those who wish you would never woken up. You should be dead, but you're not. The wheels are in motion. Your enemies are everywhere. We must alter your appearance immediately. Otherwise, I fear you won't leave this place alive. It's a wide open world up there, so there's something we need to take care of first. I'm going to change your appearance. We have no other choice. What you look like, however...
Grafikoan hobetu beharra daukatzen. Nire ordenaioko baino hobetu ematen ditu. No me jodas pertsonajena editoria daola jolasean. pertsonaia beste bat izango da, hau da Big Boss ezingo dugu erabili. Eta hause jarrako dut. Itxain, sí. Tipo gehiago etxan dut. Ez da. Zeratik lau hile bakarri hau da. Bala horrela utzi da. Doan bezala utzi da. Total. Horrela. 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 Nola antz pixka dauka, Big Bossena. Bueno, ne gehiago. Zika bise jarriko bat. Bale, inorretzon, ez? Ila luzeakin, ez. Bala oso utziko de pertsonaia. Alarea raro itetzen aditzea. Big Bossekin ez jolaztea eta pertsonean itxure aldatzea.
Very good. Now let's remove these bandages. Your face has healed nicely. To tell you the truth, these bandages were more for your protection. To hide you from those who want you dead. As of today, your name is Ahab. Forget everything. Your name, your past.
Ni naiz. Eta besteak kas uste dela.
This is you, as you've lived until this day. Tomorrow, it becomes a phantom.
Not yet. The patient in the next bed saw my face. Of course. Consider it done.
Pero botella botada, dio alkolana. Terus dio mecira aquí. Alboku hau izango da kas.
Okay, have time to go.
What happened to the woman?
The woman? We gave her a light. She took the short way down.
Who are you?
Who am I? You're talking to yourself. Been watching over you for 9 years. You can call me Ismail.
What the hell is going on?
Well, the good news is, you're in the land of the living. Bad news? The world wants you dead. On your feet, soldier. The whole place is coming down. Need a little pick-me-up? Okay. Here. Nothing like a little digoxin to get you back in the game. Come on!
Vale, gente tools in game. Arrastra cajón.
Drug's not working.
Vale, nik aurrera bakarrik lezketa.
We're getting out of here. Move it.
Bai, saiatzen nahi, no?
Let's take the stairs. This way. This isn't gonna work. We better take the elevator.
Jo, eta eskapatu erdeu. Horrela nagola. Jo, ber jartzen da, que neure nervioso jartzen da.
You can do this. Drugs kicked in? Good, let's hurry. Hold up, let's fix this. Next time, do it yourself. It's always good to try and mend your injuries while hiding from the enemy.
Vale, vale, ogni big boss izaten zeitzen dugu txuraz.
Over there. Let's go. This way, hurry. Keep low and quiet.
Pixka saat gehiago etatzen da zuen.
Help me, please.
Etzan gure da. Eta nahu ikusi. Si bere behiek ikusi ez ditut ba. Nola hori posible?
Let's move.
Help me. I don't want to die.
Giro basartu dugu.
Time to walk. Press the stance button to stand up. Don't get caught in those searchlights. Here they come. Hurry. Move! Go!
Ist der relativ? Super.
It's ugly down there. Turn back. This way. Don't you die on me. Ahab. Ahab?
Ez que kurritzeko mandu azaldu zei botoi bat, baina ez dakit ze botoi izan.
Come on.
Honekin batea joan ez.
Shit. It's ugly down there. Turn back. This way.
Vale, eman izan.
I'm Agricola. Come on.
Σας παρακαλώ. Τι συμβαίνει? Δεν βλέπω τίποτα.
Δεν μιλάει κανένας, θα μας σκοτώσουνε.
Ναι, τον είδα πριν λίγο.
What's happening out there?
It's all right. We'll be okay.
Can't see what's happening. Do you hear that? What's going on out there? Hey!
Oh, πρόσεχε.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Hey!
I can't see what's happening.
What is that? What's happening out there? Does anybody know?
Hey!
We should... You hear them coming?
Hemen eskerta ateratzen.
Please, please.
Vale, voy a Córdoba. Vale, se es muerto.
Anything? Negative. He came in here. Keep looking.
This way. This way. We're sitting ducks. Blend in with the bodies. Get down on your stomach and crawl. If you move, we're done for. Play dead.
Pentsatzen RPG hemen barruan erabiltzea behantzate suizidio bat zen.
Grenade! Take this!
Joder, RPG botella de stealth. badaude gure atzetik. Vale, ura du. Zai.
Hold on. We better stop and treat that injury.
Hemendik arman bak. Ah, vale, automatikoki egiten du. Cubierto jartzen. Cubierto.
We'll have to take the stairs down.
Segi aurretik. Emateu badakila da bidea. Bueno, hemendik ezin dira, ezin. Pistola bat. Berriz hemen da.
Know how to shoot a gun? Hold down the aim button to aim, then press the attack button to fire. Destroy it. I'll take the right, you take the left.
Epa. Ala nintzen teklauak entratzen.
You can do this. Nice work. Let's go.
Vale, bekin errekargatzen da arma. Bi arma bat ezin ditzen. Kriston zarrazkia egitea egiten,
I'll run interference.
Jotiko hori zen da Ramboa. Bueno. Hemen utziko dugu, bagi puntu zehan dala, baina bueno, ja mateu hospital ontatik ja hartetzera goazela, ze ja 50 minutu inguruan ibiliko gea. Eta ez dena bideoak oso luzeak egitea, eta bueno, hau oso ondo hasi da, Metal Gear Solid 5, oso interesgarri dago. Eta hurrengoan nola jarretzen duen, espero zuen guztoko izan dela, eta hurren arte.